Key points. One by one we will do it. Key points. There is a right angled triangle. ABC or ACB we have taken. The same standards we will follow. The same standards we will follow. This is 90 degrees. This is C, A and B. So it is C square equivalent to A square plus B square. C square equivalent to A square plus B square. Now, either A can be given or C can be given or AB can be given. C we need to find out. All the cases we will take. All the cases we will take. First case. For example, side is given. Side is not equivalent to hypotenuse. Side is given. Side is not equivalent to hypotenuse. Side is not equivalent to hypotenuse. That means let me take the side as a lowest side. Let me take the side as a lowest side. Let me take the side as a lowest side. Let me take the side as a lowest side. Now listen carefully. So let me take a side odd number. Let me take a side odd number. Odd number greater than 1. Let me take a side odd number greater than 1. Let me take 3. Let me take 3. Square it and divide by 2. 9 by 2, 4.5. So if you are taking an odd number, square and divide by 2. 9 by 2, 4.5. Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. 3, 4, 5. It is a Pythagorean triplet which will satisfy the equation. 5 square equivalent to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square it is 9, 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 it is 25. Suppose if I am taking 5, square it and divide by 2. 25 by 2, 12.5. Subtract 0.5, add 0.5. 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. 13 square equivalent to 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square it is 25. 12 square it is 144. 144 plus 25, 169. Whenever the lowest side it is an odd number, you can do this method. 7 square by 2, 49 by 2. 24.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. 724, 25. 724, 25. Like that you can derive as many values as possible. 9 square by 2, 81 by 2, 40.5. Subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. 940, 41. 940, 41. We are taking the side not equivalent to hypotenuse. In the first class, I will only concentrate on finding out all the integral values of A, B and C. Side is not equivalent to hypotenuse. I took the lowest side, 3 square by 2. 3 square by 2, 9 by 2, 4.5. If the lowest side is an odd number, square it and divide by 2. 9 by 2, 4.5. 3, 4, 5. 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25.